What?
What's the name of the order?
Shantae.
Sorry, ma'am. They spelled it wrong. Here you go, ma'am. Have a great night.
Okay. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I got this Oreo shake from Chick-Fil-A. It's my first time getting like a real dairy product in like a hot minute. I definitely know I might regret this in the morning or maybe even in the middle of the night, but YOLO. I love the taste of milk. So like, it's incredibly disappointing how lactose I am and how good milk tastes to me. It's not fair, especially when it's mixed with like Oreo. Such a shame. Tonight I was like, I don't care. This is our first time eating out in a while. I'm gonna go all out. Got a Chick-Fil-A burger, a waffle fry, got Oreo shake. I made heaven, y'all. Heaven on earth. I hope I don't regret it. Sometimes when I drink milk stuff, it don't bother me that bad. But if I drink it too often, then it start like messing with me. Like cheese, stopped eating that. Only time I'm eating that is when we eat out food. But other than that, making food at home, I've been like abstaining from cheese. And we don't drink milk here. We drink almond milk, so. Chick-fil-A milkshakes are so good. They're hand spun, so the thickness is just, they're thick. Like they're double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon type thick. Like
double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
Good night. Hey y'all, so tell me why I was putting this mask on, right? And then as I'm putting this mask on, that ad come on my phone for Wayfair. Wayfair, we've got just what you need. As I'm singing that, my phone is like, I can't sleep, but I sure enjoy a good bedtime story. First of all, I wasn't even talking to my phone. That was so creepy. I'm very weirded out. Like, I literally left the bathroom to go tell my mom. I was like, I know our phones are listening to us, but nowhere in there did I say Siri. Also, to put this mask on, all I'm gonna say is, I put this one on Jelly Much Collagen Firming Mask. I don't really need it because collagen firming stuff is usually for like older people, but this stays in the fridge. It lives in the fridge. So putting this on, it was freezing cold. Like, oh my, it felt good though, but it was still like freezing cold. A little bit of self-torture. Do it for the benefits. So, oh, you know what I could do after this? I could do a honey and turmeric mask. In my 16th birthday vlog, I think I put on the turmeric mask, but it was turmeric and yogurt. Well, we ain't got yogurt, so I'm gonna use honey. Hopefully it don't burn, because when you don't got enough stuff mixed with the turmeric, it burns. Yeah, we're gonna try that out. Y'all, I put the turmeric mask on. It's like getting on my nerves. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. It's getting on my nerves because I can feel the honey moving around on my face. It keeps dripping down on my lips. It keeps coming down here. I'm trying to eat my oatmeal. It's like, can't wait to rinse it off. I feel the honey moving around. It's making me so mad right now. I feel it moving down my nose. Like, I'm so irritated right now. Okay, y'all, I rinsed the turmeric mask off. Can you, like, this is too bright. Can you fix yourself, please? Thank you. I rinsed it off. I have so much relief now. My face is just feeling honey-fied and I did not like it. On the bright side, I don't even know why it looked neon green on the camera, but that's where it's stained. Stained right there too. I have to put on my serum. Then I have to put on dark spot corrector. This Eucerin lotion moisturizer sunscreen thingy. I usually put on La Roche-Posay moisturizer and then put another moisturizer sunscreen on top because my face be needing that extra moisture. Excuse me. I look like a glazed thing. You know, the only thing that sucks is that now my face towel, can y'all see it? It looked like I took the middle of a highlighter out and just like squeezed the juice into the towel. I didn't mean to zoom in that much. About 4-5 seconds from wildin', and I got 3 more days till Friday. I'm just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear somebody will come. Y'all, my butt's starting to hurt in this chair. I've been sitting here for a while. I don't want to sit on the bed because then when I sit on the bed, my back start hurting because there's no back support. But if I stay sitting in the chair, my butt gonna keep hurting because it's a hard chair. What's up, y'all? So today I'm about to go to my internship place to take badge photos. So I wish I could take y'all in with me, but I can't. Don't change a thing, you are amazing. It's a car coming. Okay, y'all, I'm back and I'm black and I got my ID. How can I show y'all without showing y'all? Y'all, that is what my ID looks like. Kind of look like the Joker because it looked extra red around my lips. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but that's all y'all get to see. I had to cut my camera on to show y'all this. My mom just made some of my favorite things to eat. She made asparagus, which busses, noodles, bus, and chicken, which busses. Y'all have no idea, like the flavors are just The flavors are melting on my tongue. Noodles, asparagus, and chicken. As many of you may know, when it comes to food, I usually say it slaps. So I'm continuing the trend. This about to slap. Okay. I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment so I can say I need you so, 'cause right now you know there's nothing here, and I'm obsessed with you. Then I fell to the ground.